Hello everyone, it's me Trisha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog is 40 vlog ideas. And ngayon, sinulat ko na lang yung 40 vlog ideas sa notebook para masabi ko kasi wala naman akong isa pang CP. Actually, nawala siya. And hindi ko na alam kung saan ko siya hanapin. So here it is. Number 1, birthday vlog. Any birthday vlog, kung saan kayo pupunta, etc. First day of school vlog, going on a date vlog, maintenance vlog like hair, nails, or any etc. Visiting family, friends vlog, spend the day with me vlog. Holidays vlog like Christmas shopping vlog on holidays, and girls family trip vlog, museum or zoo vlog, trying out fancy restaurant vlog, flight vlog, moving to new apartment vlog, beach day vlog, come to the gym with me vlog, self-care day vlog, packing vlog, planning an event, setting up a party vlog, vacation vlog, create celebrity inspired looks vlog, handbag haul, closet tour vlog, shoe collection vlog, what I wore this week vlog, Shein haul vlog, Fashion Nova haul, look of the day vlog, season clothing haul, back to school clothing haul, date night or night out outfits vlog, casual outfits haul, fashion and styling hacks, closet makeover, room makeover, room tour, fashion show vlogs, my go-to outfits vlog, fashion trends vlog, unique hairstyles, and lastly, heels collection vlog. So that's the 40 vlog ideas that I can share with you all guys, and I hope you like this video. And actually, saglitang vlog lang siya. And for me, siguro magagamit ko din tong 40 vlog ideas since nagbo-vlog na ako ulit and sinisimulan ko na ulit mag-vlog. And I'm trying to make so many vlogs para lang sa, you know, parang it's my hobby na and parang hindi ako mabubuhay pag hindi ako nagba-vlog. Oh my gosh, bipiyok. So that's it for today's guys. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.